Okay, hey guys, hope everybody's doing good. I'll stop at Jackpot Carnival. No reason, I've never played it before and I've seen people play it, so I thought, hey, let me try it with my free play. So let me do this. Okay, so I got my free play in there. Okay, so I got $50 free play. Let's start out with 75-cent bets. Hope everybody's doing good. I got the sound loud, but I don't hear it. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Yes. Carnival. Carnival. Ah. Okay. Where's your clown? Wolves. More wolves. I can change the noms. Yeah, let's go to 2 cents and 150 bets. Try 5 cents and 375 bets. Oh. So let's go back to 1 cent, 75 cents, just to finish this out. We're getting more money here than any place else. Put some money in there, dang it. Gotta see a bonus, don't we? Yeah, put 100 in there. Oh, dang it, stopped too quick. Come on, wake up. Man, they're just asleep. Okay, let's try 160. Man, they don't even like 160. Let's go to back to 2 cents. And let's go with 150 bets. Oh, sorry about that. Come on, pick up. Let's go back to 5 cents. 375. Alright, so back to 1 cent. 75. Come on, you gotta give me something. Really? Really? Okay guys, I think we've had enough of this thing. Not waking up. Come on. Santa Claus. Come on, one more. Oh my goodness. There he was. Oh my gosh. Wow, this ain't good. I don't know why I tried it. Oh well. Come on, let's see a bonus, man. Come on, Mr. Carnival. Give me a bonus. Come on, right there. Ah. Come on, wake up, Mr. Carnival. Somebody wake up. Go get it. Oh, man. Jeez. What a disappointment. Come on, man. Show us a bonus. Well, you can do it. Come on, go get it. There it is. Hit it. There, now, clown, 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 clown. Yeah. Minor. What's a minor? $50.
I'm a winner.
We hit the minor, which was $50. Should we get our money and get out? I think so. What do you guys think? I'm going to, because man, it wasn't responding. My hunter is going down. I lost $50 free play, and then I put 100 in, and I'm down to $26. Think we warmed it up? I don't think so. I think he's just teasing me. Yeah, $79. We'll get out at 70. We experienced it. This is my first time playing it. I know it's pretty volatile. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh man. Little ammunition. Oh, come on. Oh man, it would have been great. We got free games. The owl keeps showing up. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Hit it. Hit it. One more. Come on, clown, 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 clown. Oh man. But it's giving us ammunition. We either get to 70 or 100. Then we'll get out. if we don't get any free games. Come on, we warmed you up now. I know you got more in you. There you go. Really? Scoot over, man, in the middle. Come on. You can do it. Come on, come on. Really? Wolfie. There we are. Oh, we got it. Finally, got the free bonus. Awesome. Well, you know what we're going to do. Carnival, man. That's what we came here to see. Sorry about that. Clown me, clown me, clown me, clown me. Get up, boy. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to take some aim here. Alright. Oh, that 15 looks good. Alright. How do we get that 15? Right there. No. 4 times. Okay. It's $10. What do we get here? 5. Okay. On 5, 3 again. Okay. 3 times. $13. Jesus. Oh, sorry. Alright, times 10. That's what we want. Get over, get over, get over, get over. Oh, no. Really? Sure you like that 4 times. Alright. 75 cents. There you go, 5 times. That's what we wanted. $3.75. All right, $22. We didn't actually get to 100, like we said, but we saw the bonus, and that's what we came to see, the bonus. So to me, that's good enough. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. And then there's a bell there that you can hit, and you get notifications when I post up new videos. Also, if you like this video, click the like button. Let's make this channel grow together. Thank you. Look at him, look at him.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Oh, Mr. Balloon. Okay, we got 98. That's good enough, guys. Like I said, let me find another game. Thank you.